Okay, so good morning everyone, and yeah, welcome back in today's class. Today we are going to be covered two topics. Number one is the plugin activation, and number two is the application scoping. Okay, plugin activation we saw yesterday, and there's a few things which I want to be discussed, more to be tell you, and then I can relate this topic with the application scoping. So as we discussed yesterday that plugin something which is not available out of the box and you install as per your need. Okay, so let me see if I have this one 381. Let me open Surya's instance. Let me say Surya password is there, right? I am on home. Upgrade. Before that we have, right? Where is the Surya's? Here, this one. Okay. Okay. Why I'm picking Surya's instance so that I can show you in the runtime that how this plugin has been installed. Okay. And there's a no domain separation in Surya's instance, so that's also fine for us. So what I will do, I'll install one plugin that is called the mass update CI. Let me go and show you here on the change form. If I open a create new, okay, I'm just picking that example that what is this mass update CI, and we'll show you. Let me go for the models. This is a new concept in Cubic. They have launched change model. It's very good actually, but sometimes it's tough to maintain. Okay, now suppose on this form, okay, on the change module, I want that if I get some option where I just put the CI class name and put a specific field to be update, it should update automatically. So these kind of things are available in ServiceNow. So now the question comes from the consulting perspective. What is be for us, Atul, here? Suppose if customer asks you something very weird, try to check in the plugins first. I'm not saying that this is not working. In that case, you have to be check properties, logics, all the things. But if you say, no, can I get some option to update my server class in a one go via change record? So these things we can check in the plugin. Come in mind, Atul, agar plugin nahi hua to, if plugin is not available, then I'll show you one more option. Okay. Let it be load quickly. I'm sure it will take less time because less plugin installed and it is a good condition. So if I ask for the Windows phone, or I can say for the Android phone, we have a Play Store. Play Store means a place where you can find your applications. Can be anything, starting from WhatsApp, ending on Netflix, games, QR code generation, photography, video cutter, video mixer, anything I can say here. These are nothing, these are called the application. Okay, now before I go to find in store, let me go here. I have a plugin called the mass update, this one. Okay, I want to install this plugin into my ServiceNow. You can see change management feature which allows change requester to propose and apply updates associated within a change request one or more configuration item in a change. Means by using this, you can update a CI class in a one go. It is a paid, and this is the actual plugin name. com.snc_.change_management, like this is, and this is given by ServiceNow. Like if when you install Facebook, what you see, Facebook, it says, or WhatsApp. Now if you open the WhatsApp, it says Meta, by Meta. It means that application has been developed by Meta. So now in the meantime, let me click on the install here. If any prerequisites are required for this, it will show you here as well. So it says that, boss, this is the things I'm going to do. If you want to see the fee, check here. If you want to see any other subscription, check here. Plugin dependency status. Best practice bulk CI changes will be activated. Means by this plugin, this particular option will be activated. And change management state model. We already have a state model like new, assess, authorize. These are already there, right? So that is currently installed. So now I click on the activate. Now it will take few minutes, not five. Basically, it depends on the plugin to plugin. So now you can see it is be quickly installing. So it is see update UI policies. So these are the codes which we are doing now. That is like the revert is not possible. ये update set a revert नहीं है. Fail होगा तो वापस कर लो. नहीं. It is not possible. Enumerating customizations, it's installing the customization, opening the file and installing into your system now, into your instance now. Okay. So now it says change management, this has been activated. If you want to see plugin list, you can go here, close and reload the form. It will reload this form. Now, how I can check? Go here, change, create new. One more thing, remember. Suppose in my New York version, I don't have a concept called the change model because ServiceNow, till the time ServiceNow did not release that particular feature. Now, if you're upgrading from New York to what I can say to Rome, then it is up to you. Do you want to activate that feature or not? ऐसा नहीं है कि नया वर्जन आया तो हमें करना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It is not like that. It is up to user that what feature he want in the new release. ठीक है. So I'll go here and show you the changes. Maybe that field still is not on the form. I can bring that thing on the form as well. Let it be open in the meantime. Okay, so now you can see what we done or what we edit. You can see it is there now. This plugin has been activated and this field has been added here. And when you click on this option comes automatically. Okay, so this is basically called the plugin activation. Now, as we're talking, now if you want to see the plugin history, you can go here and see what time you installed which plugins. You can see here. Till now 49 are there. And this is we just updated now. This is also updated. Okay. Now I'll go here. As I say, Atul, I want to find a plugin or I want to use attendance management in ServiceNow. I have two options. Number one, I develop it by my own. बहुत कॉस्ट लगेगा, बहुत एफर्ट लगेगा. और ठीक है, प्ले स्टोर में जाओ, ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो, हो जाएगा. Like if you see, earlier everybody is maintaining their expenses and the income on pen and paper, but now we have a lot of applications. You just install, it will open your Bahi Khata completely, it will open your balance sheet completely. That for this credit card this much is pending, for this credit card this much is pending, for this debit card you have this much amount. What are those? Those are apps here. In the same manner, ServiceNow also recommend or also motivate. I'll also recommend it's motivate to their partners that boss, if you need something, you make your own application and put into my store. So I'll go to the find in a store. So like we have a Google Play in the Play Store, we have iOS Play Store. In the same manner, we have ServiceNow Play Store as well. If you go here and log in by your official ID, you can see a lot of applications are there. See, these are apps and solutions. Best practice engine, instance analyzer, Unify, this one, learning management system, feedback app, designer. These are the paid one, but these are the actually approved by ServiceNow as well. So you can see free as well. There's a free app which you can just install. That's all. Like if I say example of that part, MX Player is free of cost. You can download and you can watch your series. So like this, you can see attachment wizard, OpenStack, Bright tool. Now the question comes, Atul, ये है क्या चीजें? These are the applications built by some other company on the platform of ServiceNow. And here you will see that how many are the customers. Fihendra is one of the customers of ServiceNow. Automize, Identity Software Solution, Intel Bliss. I know this company. INCPI, that is GmbH, basically they call it Germany or something like T Cloud. So it is for ServiceNow only. So suppose I want to use what I should say. Let's take this thing, Instance Analyzer. It is free because I'm on a free pay click here. Now, if you see here, it is a certified app. Means why it is certified means this particular app has been built as per the standards of ServiceNow. This has been tested as per the standard of ServiceNow. This will work as per the standard of ServiceNow security regulations. So you can see here. And this is compatible with Rome, Cubic and Paris version. Find, analyze and repair poor quality code in your ServiceNow instance. ठीक, ये चीज है. So now if you want, you can install as well. Like this. So you can see the complete release notes are there. Because I did not log in here, so I cannot install, but you will get an option as well to install or to contact this thing and then you can install in an instance. This is called specifically a customized app. अगर आपको ServiceNow products देखने, you can go here. What you want to see. You have a lot of things. ITOM, security operation. Maybe in ITOM, I want to go the cloud management. Open it. And you can see. I need to be logged in. So I'll not log in now. Okay. If you want to see for integration part, this is completely stored. यहाँ पर सिर्फ develop का ही चीजें मिलेगी और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको. देखो, you can see by ServiceNow. These are the things. Apps. Then if you go here, innovation lab. Something new they are building or you want to build. Incident response playbook. Vulnerability. ServiceNow graph connector. And they have the rating as well. See, it is just one rating. IA tuning, collaboration calendar. This thing. Calendar app you can do now Intrapack. So multiple things that you cannot imagine, a lot of things available in ServiceNow at point of time. Okay, now let me zoom monitor, see this thing. And last, events. If you want to attend any kind of an event organized by ServiceNow, you can see here. And believe me, guys, you should attend these ServiceNow meetups. Lastly, they have done in the Bangalore. I guess this weekend in Chennai, 24th in Noida, and 18th is on Pune as well. So attend these events. You will able to know a few more things into the picture. Okay, so by this way you can create the application and you can So up now the question comes, Atul, can we create our own application? Suppose मेरे दिमाग में एक idea आया. Let's get an application to track the Atul का training वाला का. I build one application and I will put into the store so that वहां से जिसको use करना है कर सके. If you want to put some paid, you charge it and you put it as a paid one here. This is all about our plugin activation. Any doubt, any question here? Anyone? बताइए.
One doubt, plugins are mostly क्या plugins आपको instance पे दिखते हैं, right? Whatever you install, you get the data right from that plugin to your data, and you can search it on Filter Navigator.
Yes.
Store पे जाके अगर कुछ install करते हैं तो वो कैसे दिखेगा?
See, you are just downloading it store, downloading it on store. At last, it will install in your instance only. वो यहाँ पे दिखेगा आपको plugin history में दिख जाएगा.
अच्छा.
That is the thing. Because maybe these many जो products आपको ये apps you are be able to see here, these maybe you cannot install in the PDI. ये PDI के लिए नहीं होंगी. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm assuming it. Okay. Those things. But in your practical life, you can do it. Yeah, tell me. Yes, ask Surya.
So Atul, like if some client has some feature, like he wants some specific feature, so we don't know like whether it is like available or not. So based on the keywords, we'll be searching in the plugin.
Yes, you can search on the basis of keywords. You can ask to ServiceNow as well that my client is looking for this. Do you have any kind of a plugin or app available with you?
Okay, we can contact to the ServiceNow regarding this.
We can contact every company who is the ServiceNow partner. They have a ServiceNow account manager as well. They can send a mail. They can talk to them. They can help them to build up the business as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So like you can see here, ServiceNow build up the vaccination administration management as well. If you want to track your employees' vaccination, you can activate that plugin. As of now, zero review. It is only compatible with Roam. This one you can see. Okay, this thing. Now let me come back here. Now suppose I give you one assignment in the beginning. Not suppose it was actually was there. Okay, I give you the assignment that boss, please build a application or build a module for me on the training management part. You said, okay, Atul, we'll do it for you. But somehow it did not work out. That's fine. Okay. Now the thing is that suppose I want to build up a new application in ServiceNow. How I can build that? Number one, if I said I want to build up any application that falls in the category of the custom app, क्योंकि वो आपका खुद का ऐप होगा, आप अपने हिसाब से उस ऐप को डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. So that is called the custom app. Now ServiceNow say, boss, if you want to build your own application, because if you remember in the beginning, day 2 or day 3, I told ServiceNow you can use as a software as a service or platform as a service. Now, if you want to build your own application, then definitely you're going to be use ServiceNow as a platform as a service. And you can build your own application on that particular platform. To do that part, ServiceNow give me a specific place or specific module called the App Engine Studio. This is a kind of a different studio, kind of a different interface, which has been just created only and only for the creating the custom application. So now if you want to build any new application, let me go and start that part. App Engine Studio. I click on this and my another window will be open. Now remember one thing. In App Engine Studio, we are not going to do anything new. मतलब अतुल, मतलब ये what we learned in last 32 or 33 days. Table, workflow, portal, email notification, everything you have to do here again. The only thing is that when I say I want to create a new application, it means I am defining my application scope as well. ये मैं एक नया बना दूंगा यहाँ पे, और कुछ नहीं होगा. See, if you see here, these are nothing. These are the application scope only for me, right? App Engine 2, ATF 2, Agent Workspace. These are the different application. If you scroll down, Change is one of the, for me, one of the application. Even though they work together in the background, but that is one of the application scope for me. So now what I'll do, I'll go and create a app. Let's see what we are going to be create. What is your app name? I say batch 6 training. Basic training is my app name. You want to put any kind of a logo? Yes, I can put. I want to put any kind of a logo as well. सिर्फ इतना ही है और कुछ नहीं है इसके अलावा. Nothing new is there in the application scoping. Let me put something. This one. Okay. ठीक है. ये मैंने कर दिया. If you want to put any description, you can put. Click on the continue here. It is creating a app for you and creating a scope as well in your application. Now I'll show you. It is pure development, pure, and it is again custom. I'm putting a custom because ye out of the box you will be creating here. It takes few minutes to be to create an app in the background. Don't think that Atul app creating app means it will create everything. No. It will just create a name for you and put a place for you in the ServiceNow instance. So now let me go and reload this page so that I can show you that what we did till now. So now you can see batch 6 training is my application scoping is there. This is my application scoping. Now, if I want to work on this application, I have to go in that particular scoping part only. I'll come here. Now, what it says, if you want to build any module in ServiceNow, maybe I said, okay, create a module for the student record. What you will do first of all, tell me. Tell me, guys. Ankit, what you will do? Surya. People are silent here. Ankit dropped off. Surya, what you will do?
Create a user.
We create a
User. Like
username, but okay, after user. Give me the steps. If I say, okay, please guys, please create a module for me, what you will do?
Okay, we will create a like user, the particulars, and then the agenda of the course.
नहीं सूर्या, थोड़ा सा और एक दो स्टेप बैक करो फिर सोचो. Ronald, what do you think?
Create a module, right?
Yes.
Forgotten.
So for module, what do we need?
For module, what do you need? Widget? No, not widget. Sorry. No. I have forgotten that.
Ankit.
Sorry, there was a
For
power flip. So right now I've
for
connected back.
no
What
problem.
was the question?
For creating a module in ServiceNow, what I need for creating a for creating an application in ServiceNow, what I need at a first point of time, what I have to be create, what I have to do.
System properties, UI
नहीं
properties.
यार, नहीं दे भाई, नहीं
You
दे,
have
नहीं
to
दे.
find the scope.
Scope हो गया, scope हो गया. What else?
Update set.
Oh, what
Tables.
else? Correct. Tables, simple.
Yes.
If you want to build any application, any module in ServiceNow, you have to be create a table first. Only then you can go and create any kind of a interface on the top of that. So like if you remember that on the day 7th or 8th, I told you you have to be create a table, right? You can extend a table, you can extensible a table. So same thing we have to be do here. It says that boss, your application scope has been created. That's fine. Now what you want? I want to build an application for the training. It means I need a table on the place. So I'll go here and click on the data, and maybe I can go to app dashboard here. And I will open my application. So now you can see. Data is the starting point of any app. Start with the table or upload a spreadsheet. Here ServiceNow giving you so much flexibility. Boss, अगर आपको table नहीं भी बनाना था, if you don't know that how to make a table, create a sample Excel sheet which contains few field and upload that Excel sheet. I'll create a table for you automatically. So I'll say no, I want to be created by my own. So I'll go here and add a table. That is why I said इसके अलावा application scoping में नया कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing new I'm going to be doing now. You can upload a spreadsheet. You can create from the existing table. Like I want to be extend task table. I want to be extend incident table. You can do or create from the scratch. I'll create from the scratch. Okay. New table name. Batch 6. Remember this X or no? Remember this
user
X? Correct. Not user defined. It is a user defined, but it is a custom table. If you create the table in the native view here, then it starts with the U. That is a U means user defined table, but this is a custom or the scoped table actually. That is it's showing as a X, and this is a random number come automatically, and these things will be taken care ServiceNow. Mark is extensible or auto number. I want the auto number as well. From where you want to start? I want to start with the TB. Series this. वही जो हमने सर्विस जो हमने पहले टेबल्स में किया था, same thing. Continue. Now table has been done. What next in the table? Because I'm creating this table from the scratch. So what next we need to do? Surya. I have a table.
Particulars, like what and all the columns needed.
Yes. So do one more thing. Avoid using the general terms now. When you say Atul column, no. Say we have to be create the attributes in the table now. Because these are the words or fields in the table. These are the words which you have to be used. These are the terms which you have to be used when you communicate with your technical team. Okay. Now, if you're done, then fine. If you want to edit table, you can edit table. Let me see it. If I click done here. Okay, हम एक काम करते हैं टेबल में कुछ बना देते हैं, otherwise कुछ नहीं होगा. Let me edit the table here. I'll put 1. So 6 attributes will come by default. Updated by, created by, sysid will become automatically. That is the thing which we know in the beginning of when we see for the tables part. So now you can see. Okay. Let's add one more column here. Add a new field. That is the reason I put this topic almost in the end. so that it revises the complete concepts. So I'll put number, I'll put name. Okay, column name, it will come automatically. Okay, let me put name, that's fine. I tab out here, name, type, I say it should be a, but I can put string. String single plain line text. Any reference you want to put, length 40, I'm okay for the same. Okay, that's fine for me. Okay, reference नहीं है क्योंकि string है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ये. And if you want to put any kind of default value, you can put. And that's fine. Now I'll say okay, done. और कुछ नहीं बनाना मुझे अपने टेबल में. Now I come here. Experience. How a customer can use my application via native view or via mobile application or via portal. So I click on the add an interface. You can create a portal, you can create a workspace, you can create a mobile app, or you can create a catalog item. I said, boss, my customer or my user will start using my application via portal only. Portal means same which we done, service portal जो हमने बनाया था. I will show you here as well. Let's create our own portal. This is my URL for the portal. I just copy paste this to show. You can put the rows who can access this portal like we done in the practical part. So I'll say everybody, all, let's not put any user, otherwise it will create problem. Click on the continue. My portal has been updating. Let me open this and try to show you. Let's see if it is saved, only then I'll click on the enter. It's still saving. Now, if I go here, automation. Automation means workflow. This is a topic which I'm covering in coming Saturday. Unleash the power of IT with the workflow automation. That how you can create a workflow and you can automate your things. Quick. Let me hit enter if I see it has been saved or not. It is still not been saved. It is still saving. So I'm not able to see this part. Let it be done quickly. Then I'll open this one. Now it has been done. Now let me try to reopen it. And now your portal is open here. Nothing will be available because we did not do anything here. We did not put any kind of a theme. We did not put any kind of a branding. Nothing we have done. We just create a simple portal. The default portal, which has been given by ServiceNow, is coming here. Now, if you want to make a change, open it and do the changes as per your requirement. The same way we done for the service portal, SP, right? Now, the third point is that automation means either workflow, either integration. What you want to do? Something is given by ServiceNow out of the box. When an incident is closed, post a message on the Twitter. See, you can see one symbol here, right? These things. This says that these are the ServiceNow applications. ServiceNow workflows. This ServiceNow के builder workflows हैं. So you can use something by default because you're building a custom map. My customer says as soon as my major incident has been closed, the message should be go to the Twitter, like companies like WhatsApp, Facebook. If they're down and they're coming up, as soon as they mark incident as a close, message should go. Incident has been closed. Please check your services. Automatic workflows are there. So many workflows are given by ServiceNow. Create a new row in a spreadsheet from the record. Create a new issue in the Jira when SN record is created. Create a new row in the spreadsheet for record update. So a lot of things are there. Otherwise, नहीं तो मुझे तो अपना ही बनाना है. Click here. Simple, flow designer open होगा and you can build up your things easily. Workflow name is beginning batch 6 and continue. बन गया मेरा एक flow. Now in that flow you want to be use some kind of activities, core activities. You can do it from here, or either you can go to the flow designer and you can go from the there as well. So in short, other than this, there's nothing new we are be see here as of now. And at last, it has a security, means who can access my application, who can make changes in my application. If you want to edit the flow, click here and edit it. That's all simple things which we have done already. Now you can put the security, that who can access my app. By default, any user who has a SNC_internal role can access my app. And at last is saying submit or the launch. Why the launch button is submit but is not a bit available here? Any idea? Anyone? Any idea why submit button is not showing to me? We have done all the things, right? We have a table, we have a field, we have a portal, we have a workflow, we have a security. Then still not able to see the submit button. Any reason? Anyone? बताइए.
Is it something to do with roles?
Which role?
You may be signed in as an admin currently.
I am admin only.
But, yeah, but then to publish an app, you may need certain roles or privilege.
Right.
You just scroll a little bit down or up one more time.
लो सर, नीचे तो कुछ है नहीं, बस यही है और तो कुछ है नहीं.
You're getting a pop-up alert that you need to elevate your roles to security admin to make modifications.
That is if you want to make any changes here. Security. Maybe I can pick up this topic after this. Why I'm not able to see the submit button?
सर ऊपर करना है एक बार थोड़ा सा scroll up.
लो तो सही नहीं, ऊपर तो कुछ.
I was thinking like a flow designer कि आपको कहीं
नहीं
activated का बटन मिल जाए, उसका बटन मिल जाए. No idea.
Surya, what do you think?
It's still not completed. The workflow has still not been completed.
It's completed. It's completed. It's completed.
Is it anything related to that in development icon? Like it's still in a development stage.
That is fine in the development state. But if I move to the submit only, then it becomes something else for me. Okay. Anyone use anytime the trial version of the license version of any of the tool, any of the application?
No.
किया होगा, झूठ मत बोलो. I use.
Yeah.
Now, if you use the trial version or this non-licensed or test version, you cannot make a lot of changes in that particular tool. Like I was using one of the DJ tool earlier just to see that how these things work. Few things I'm able to make, but few things I'm not able to make it. The same concept work here. बहुत simple सी बात है. Maybe that is again the first time I also have the same issue. The thing is that where we are building this application at point of time in the PDI, and to put any application, we need a place. In technical term, we call as a host this application. Correct? We need to put this application somewhere in the internet or in the server, in some other place where this can be accessible by the other people. So the same manner we are not able to do upgrade or cloning of PDI. Same manner we cannot publish our own application which we're building in the PDI. That is the reason the submit button is not there. If you build any application in your official instance, submit button will be available for you. Now you see this particular message. There was an error while retrieving your application deployment information. Contact your admin in order to submit your app, because for the PDI, ServiceNow did not give any kind of a test hosting system or test host system where I can go and deploy my application. अब मेरे जैसे लोगों ने ऐसे अगर 500 हजारों एप्लीकेशन बना दी, their server will, their host will be full completely. So that's when they say, if you want to do, you can make it till this point, but you cannot do these things practically in the PDI. For that, you have to buy the instance from the ServiceNow. Then you will get the proper host as well. And then you can host and it will be available for you. So this is the way that we do this particular application scoping part here. Now, any doubt, any question? Anyone? Sometimes we start thinking a lot, and the solution is with us only. So like you can see here, I have this application, I have this application, I have this application. अब मैं इन सबको application को host करने लग जाऊंगा. ServiceNow से boss, you are making kachra on my machine, right? So they did not give any test hosting system to us. Clear? Any doubt, any question till this point? Ronald, Surya, Ankit.
No, that makes sense. That's good.
Right? Okay. Don't worry. This thing I also learned from the experience only. When I was doing first time this application, I thought why this is not becoming. Then I check on the community, and people say on the PDI you cannot deploy, because deployment means you need on the server. Some server you have to be deployed. जहाँ पे उसका execution file आप जाके रखोगे, people लेंगे. Now if you see ServiceNow store, what is this? This is basically a host only, where everybody is keeping their application, and I'm going and I'm checking their application and putting into my instance as and when required. Okay. So now after this topic, let me come here, which you pick up it here. कहाँ गया ये रहा? What message we get here in the on the top? You need to elevate your role to security admin to make modification in these items. Let's pick up this term. You maybe, let's say, Surya, are you married or not?
No, Atul.
Okay, good. Let's do Surya's marriage then. Okay. Surya has or Surya is planning to get married. Okay, and the date has been fixed for the 24th of December. During the marriage time, it is be important that you have cash, you have gold, a lot of things at your home, because you know that these are things be required during the this marriage, and all the things will be there. Now what Surya says, Surya tell to his mom, dad, and sister and brother that guys, I keep a cash at this place and gold at this place. Okay, only you guys are allowed to come, open this particular wardrobe and get some cash if required, or take it the gold from here if required. But this functionality, this option, this feature, this flexibility, this freedom is not available to anyone else in his relationship as well. And that is called the ACL. Now, if you notice sometime, suppose you in our north we make the sweets at home only. अब तो नहीं होता, पहले शादी जब होती थी तो we call that halwai and this sweet वाला person at home, and we order them. भैया इतने किलो आपको बनाना है. That's go in the quintals only, and we keep that sweets in a separate room. And if you notice that by mistake any kid enter in that room, कोई भी होगा, from the far away he say, hey, come on outside from this room, don't enter. That is the ACL. You are not authorized to enter in this room unless you have a proper permission there. So in ServiceNow we have this concept called the ACL, access control list, which says that which user is able to see which table. 1. Which user is able to see which field on that table. Number 2. Okay, so these are the things which come from the ACL. So let me go to the global here. And now what it says here, you need a security admin to make modification. So for that, what I have to do, I have to be log out from here. And I'll be logging from the admin here because only admin has. Why? Now you say, Atul, you are also admin. But this admin, as in the PDI, this admin has been created by ServiceNow with the proper rights, right? Or I can use Surya's instance as well. Let's use this one. Yeah. See. So now Surya is login as an admin. Now, okay, one more thing. Once you get a ServiceNow instance for your customer from the ServiceNow, they ask you, okay, let me know to whom I should give the elevated roles. Then your architect or your business person say, okay, give to Atul and Udnat. Only 1 or 2% allowed. Nobody else allowed to get this elevated roles. Okay. Now, if you go here, you can see a term called the elevated roles. Before that, let me go here. ACL, Access Control List. From the consulting perspective, जितना आता है उतना ही बात करेंगे हम, और मुझे भी इतना ही आता है. You are not able to see any new button here, even though he is an admin, but still new button is नहीं आ रहा. For that, you need a elevated role. From the certification perspective, specifically from the certification perspective, if you want to know, ये question आता ही आता CS exam में, that what do you mean by the elevated role and how I define. I'm sure that everybody from all of us has been visited Barbecue Nation a lot of time, right? Maybe birthday है या anniversary है या वैसे ही चलो आज खाने का मन है नॉन वेज का तो चले जाते हैं. Earlier, what rule they have in barbecue? They have a flag on each and every table. Till the flag is on, starter will be served. If by mistake or intentionally or knowingly you put down the flag down, they take up the complete barbecue from you and they say, okay sir, now time for the main course. अब आप कितना भी कोशिश कर लो, they will not serve you the starter again. That is called the elevated rule. Or maybe if you are going for a movie, you buy a ticket, you enter in the hall, movie is over, you came back and you want to enter the movie in with the same ticket, you cannot enter. So if I click on this elevated part, you will be able to see the things here. These are the session specific privileges. The example which I put for the barbecue, session specific. As soon as you put down, it's done and dusted. Session timeout. सर सिर्फ आधा घंटा अलाउड है बैठने से ज्यादा नहीं. वो बोला जो सर्विस नाउ का टाइम होता था. और log out. You are having your dinner in barbecue. You got a call after 3 hours. You came back. Sorry sir, अब तो close हो गया barbecue. ये वो वाला काम है. So from the interview perspective, from the citation perspective, this question come generally that what type of elevated role it has. Session specific, session timeout, and the logout. And if I click on this, this is the last level of security rights in ServiceNow. If you give this role by mistake, हम तो दे नहीं सकते पहली बात तो, हम consultant में तो मिलता भी नहीं है. If any developer by mistake give this role to anyone else who is novice, who is the new in the ServiceNow, वो तबाह कर सकता है ServiceNow पूरा का पूरा. That is the thing I'm saying. Click OK. And now when I click OK, you will see one option here. That indicates that you are in the elevated part as of now. See, this lock is there. It indicates that you are in the privileged user now. You has an elevated role now. You're able to see the new button here, right? So this thing indicate that you are doing a special modification here. Now, if I want to go and open a ACL, I don't want that any user from the batch 6 should be able to see assignment group field on the change form. Maybe I want this ACL, मुझे नहीं दिखाना, ठीक है? Why these ACLs are very important. इसलिए इसको इतनी जल्दी यूज नहीं करते. We need to be think that do we need any ACL or can we get our work done via UI policies or the UI action or the business rules kind of things. If nothing is working, nothing is be feasible, then we go for the ACL. इसमें जितना मुझे आ रहा है, I'll show you that part only. Type, mainly record type. That on which type of thing you want to put this ACL. There's a lot of new things out there. UX page, data box, UX pages, root. I really don't have any idea on this part, really. But I have the idea of the record. Record, create, execute, read, write, edit task relationships, share relationships, save as template, add to list, edit. These things you can do on the your record level. Personal choice karna, report view, report on list edits, these things you can do. So mainly what we are going to be discussed that if I want to put an ACL on the create, record create karte hue, what I want to say, this thing important. Okay, admin overrides, one thing we have left. Who can override this ACL? Any admin can override. मतलब आपके पास ITL रोल है और मैं आपके लिए ACL लिख रहा हूं, लेकिन मेरे पास एडमिन रोल है, मुझे दिखेगा, but you cannot see because you are not the you have your name, you are not allowed as per the ACL has been defined here. Now this thing is important. Name says this particular ACL you want to build on which particular table. If we put asterisk, this ACL will be applicable for all the table in service now. I say I want to put on the change table. Change request. Okay. Do you want to put on any of the field of the change request? और you put asterisk, नहीं सभी पे चलेगा, नहीं मुझे asterisk करना, मुझे क्या करना है assignment group पे. Okay, ठीक है. Description you can edit here. ठीक है. If you want to put any kind of a scripting, you can put in the ACL as scripting. Click on the advanced. वो scripting का box खुल जाएगा, then you can do the scripting. ठीक है. Even though in some of the cases, in some of the companies, ACL also considered as a customization. In some of the cases, but not on the major part. Okay, now I'll come down. Access control rules allow to specify resource all the 3 checks to be evaluated true. मतलब ये ACL कब काम करेगा? Yes, this is the second question which come into the this thing I can say certification. The user has one of the roles specified in the role list. Only the user who has this role available can outside the scope of this or can do the work on this particular ACL. Conditions in the condition field evaluate true or empty, ये वाला यहाँ पर, और the script field advanced evaluate true and the variable is true here. क्योंकि हमने advanced भी रखा है ना, तो let me remove this advanced. Let me remove this. मुझे नहीं चाहिए condition. So what I say that any user who has a change manager rule, condition, assignment group, start with ठीक है. मतलब कि ये कब काम करेगा ACL मेरा? what I'm saying, because I'm not defining anything in the advance, otherwise I have to be defined in the advance. I say any user who has have a change or called the change manager will be able to do the changes on the batch on the assignment group if the batch group start with the batch 6. Surya, do you have a group name batch 6? Let me put change.
Yeah, Atul, I think I have.
Okay, let change management. Let's say start with the change management. Let's see what happened now. I'm submitting it and it's checking my records here. Adding row level, show, or let's see. And field level. Row level means on which table I am going to create. I am going to create on the change request. And I'm adding on the this and rest I'm doing the masking here. I'm not sure that what is the masking means here. Allow create all fields in the table if ACL script return true. अच्छा ये उसके लिए है. And I click on the continue. So from my experience, we can put ACL on the table level. We can put ACL on the what I can say. Change का लगाएंगे इसका. On the field level, sorry, yeah, I forget. क्योंकि मैं एडमिन हूं तो मुझे सब कुछ हो जाएगा अभी यहाँ पे. And we defined half of the information only. This thing. Because I log in as an admin, so I can do a lot of things here. ठीक है. Maybe I can show you something more on the incident है क्या यहाँ पे कहीं. Operation create. I'll show you some out of the box which is easy for us to be understand. Index, yeah. Let me pick up something on the let's see the change request. Create. Let's see what they'll be saying here. See what this says, that was I'm create for the type record operation create. I'm putting this ACL on the change request table. SN change right rule required to create a change record in this particular table. ये उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन होगा, मतलब इस रूल अगर ये रूल होगा तो ही आपका काम चल पाएगा, तभी आप क्रिएट कर पाएंगे. Let me scroll and edit here. So they say here, if I remove this rule, nobody is able to create a change on the change request table. And how this is becoming? This is coming from this particular thing. I'll show you one more thing here. Maybe I can open this list. .2. All clear है? कुछ confusion है? पूछ लो यार अगर है तो कुछ. New authorize. Okay. Tell me guys, any doubt, any confusion here?
That's okay.
Okay. So now you can see here. Let me show you one option which I put a case in my previous account as well. Okay. Now you can see here approve. I want to approve this change as an admin from right click and approve. I can do because I am an admin here. But how this functionality work for me? This has been defined in the ACL actually. I'll show you here. Let me try to find out that particular option. Change approval कुछ है क्या देखते हैं रुको. करने का इच्छा नहीं हुई. Change request, create CI classes comment assigned to नहीं इसमें नहीं. Let me see anything I can see approve. Sys approval. Let me open this admin. Create भी नहीं, sys approval state. Let me open the code just to see कि किसमें है. हाँ, जैसे ये है. And they write a complete code. What they're saying that I am building a ACL on the sys approval table. That anyone in the approval table who has a role called the admin, catalog or ITIL is required to read the sys approval records. ये सिर्फ record read करने के लिए है. जिनको rights है, they can only read it. Let's take example. If you want to approve the change, you as an ITIL, you want to approve the change on anyone's behalf, you cannot approve because you just have these rules, and they put these rules into the here only. GS client system dot has rule approval admin or GS dot has rule ITL or GS has rule catalog. Then they cannot approve it. If I go here and see, same है ये भी concept. हाँ, sys approval admin approval utilities हैं. Only user main role should be accessed. Modify this thing. Main is a user. No, I'm not able to get that. But these things which you see here, right click and approve. These things are coming. These things has been defined via ACL only. So from our perspective, I can say in a short summary specifically here that being a consultant, I should just ask to the customer that boss, tell me who should be able to see the what I can say field or the table on the form, and I can put the ACL on the same part. So what we say change manager. Let me see if I can impersonate as a कहाँ गया इसका ये रहा. Now I impersonate as a ITIL user. ITIL, and let me reload this page. Let's see, is it be working for us or not? Maybe that ACL is working. नहीं, अभी भी नहीं, कुछ और होगा. Let me try to change this. Or possible way is that maybe some other ACL. नहीं भाई, ले बैठा देता हूँ. It's something is not working for us. The reason can be because the ACL which we defined maybe has been overwritten by some other ACL as well. क्योंकि हमने सिर्फ एक टेस्ट करने के लिए बनाया, and maybe some other ACL which is already defined this particular things and has been overriding our particular option here. Okay, so this is all about for our discussion on the ACL part. And being a consultant, practically नहीं हम कभी काम नहीं करते इसके ऊपर, but if need to be understand because when is ACL required? I give you the example. For one of my account, this says that Atul, I want to hide few of the fields if any user who is having a role called auditor. मुझे auditor को सारा कुछ नहीं दिखाना होता. I want to save something from the audit perspective, and then I create a specific ACL on the field level that these fields should not be visible to the user who has a auditor role in the system. तो वहां पर मुझे ACL का requirement पड़ता है. I don't want to show my data, my group to you, my group tickets to you because you are not authorized. So in that case, I have to put the ACLs on the place. Clear? Any doubt? Any question? Anyone?
There might be some scenarios where we have to debug, or I won't say debug, probably find out some solutions that suppose a field is not working for such and such employees. How to troubleshoot, how to deal with those kind of scenarios.
Check on the UI policy. Then you can check on the client scripts as well. That that particular user has a role, gs dot has a role is containing this information or not. Then if not, then go to the ACL part. You as a consultant cannot do unless you have a elevated roles. You can read the ACLs, but you cannot modify the ACLs. That is again one type of ACL, that unless you don't have an elevated role, you cannot make any change in the ACL level as well. And this is again from the development perspective I'm saying here. The developer need to be troubleshoot that why this user is not able to see. Being a consultant, you can check is that user has a proper roles or not. क्योंकि सर्विस नाउ में सारा खेल रोल्स पे ही चलता है, रोल्स और इस पे ग्रुप्स पे ही चलता है. रोल है then fine, रोल नहीं है, he is not able to see that part. If he has a proper role, then he or she is not able to see the things, then you can check on the client script. Maybe in the client script they have some kind of a modification, maybe he's not the part of the right group, and then at last you can check on the ACL part कि कुछ ACL तो लिखा नहीं हुआ इसके ऊपर, इस रोल के ऊपर कुछ ACL लिखा हो, इस फील्ड पे कुछ ACL लिखा हो. That is the thing. Clear, Ankit?
ठीक है.
Yes, Surya, Ronald, any doubt, any question?
No. Okay.
Okay, fine. So let me stop the recording here first. कहाँ गया?